Good morning, student. Myself, Uma Shankar Singh, math teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, our topic is exercise 2B, cubic polynomial examples. So, in previous classes, discussion of quadratic polynomial, that is the power of x is 2 and this is cubic polynomial, so power of x is q. So general equation of polynomial is ax cube bx square cx plus d equal to 0. That is the general equation of polynomial. In previous classes, quadratic polynomial general equation is ax square bx plus c equal to 0. That is the power of that equation is 2, and in cubic that is the power of polynomial of that equation is 3. In previous classes, the number of 0 in quadratic equation in 2 power, so that is 2 0 needs, that is alpha and beta, means how many power, how many degree in that power, in that degree, so need of that 0 in 2 power, so need of 2 roots 2 0 in quadratic equation. But in cubic polynomial 3 power 3 order, so need of 3 equation and 3 0. So in these terms, that is needs of 3 0, so taken alpha, beta and gamma. So that is the taken alpha, beta and gamma. That is the 0 of polynomial. If 4 power, then alpha, beta, gamma and taken another thing that is eta, zeta, anything, that is the 4 order. But I study in cubic polynomial, so that is the 3 0, that is, let's suppose that is the alpha, beta and gamma. In previous classes also alpha and beta, because that is quadratic, means 2 order, that power is 2, quadratic equation of polynomial, so that is taken alpha and beta. But that power is cube, so that is taken alpha, beta and gamma of 0 polynomial of these. So 3 power 3 order, that is taken alpha, beta and gamma. So that is the general equation of polynomial ax cube bx square cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Now taken, then x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma are the factors of p of x, that is power p of x, that is the say to p of x, that is the polynomial. So that is ax cube plus bx square cx plus d. Now that factor is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to, taken k is any constant of these, so that is x minus alpha, that is the 0, multiply of these term, that is k, x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma. So that is equal to k and multiply of these term, find out, that is the x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma into alpha into x minus alpha into beta into gamma, that is the multiplication of this term. K is constant. Now taken k, multiply of this term x cube k alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus k alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha, that is the multiply of x and k alpha, beta and gamma of this term. Now comparing between power of general equation of this polynomial, so that is the k is equal to, that is the power of x cube and x cube, that is the x cube and x cube, so that is common, and k is equal to a, so k is equal to a. And now this term that is the taken these terms. So x square that is minus k alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to b. That term is minus, so taken minus. And now cx means that power x term, so that is k alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, that is these terms. So k alpha beta gamma is equal to c. And now d is equal to constant term, that is this minus k alpha beta gamma is equal to d of these terms. Put the value of k, k is equal to a. So now k is equal to a, so a alpha b plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a first, and this k is equal to also a, means divided of this side, that is c by a, alpha plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to c by a. Now again that term k is equal to a, so that term minus d by a, alpha into beta into gamma is equal to d by a, means three terms of need of 0 of cubic polynomial. So this term is find out. So that is the formula usage of exercise 2b. Example of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to c by a, alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. These terms to put and solve the equation. Now taken one examples of these term. Now taken question number first. Given, verify that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the 0 of cubic polynomial of these term p of x, that is minus 3, minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 are the 0 of zeros. So and cubic polynomial is p of x is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Verify the relation between the 0 and coefficient. So that solution is p of 3. So that is that equation. Put the value of this. So that is the, if the any polynomial, that is the that term is put in this value, that is comes to 0, so that is say to the factor of these terms, means this 0. So that is the 3 into 3 to the power 3 minus 5 into 3 to the power x square, means 11 into 3 minus 3. So that is 81 minus 45, 33 and minus 3. So that is 81 that is 0. So that is the factor of this polynomial, means this 0 is satisfied of this polynomial. Now taken another value, that is taken minus 1. See, so 3 into, that is minus 1 to the power 3, and that is also the applicable in heat and trial of these equation. I also explain in next classes, that is 5 into minus 1 square minus 11 into minus 1 into and minus 3. So that is minus odd power, so minus, that is minus 3, and plus minus 5, that is also plus 11 minus 3. So that is 11 minus 11 equal to 0. Also satisfy of this polynomial. Now taken another is minus 1 by 3. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 to the power 3 minus 5 into minus 1 to the power 3 minus 11 into minus 1 to 1 by 3 minus 3. So that is the minus 3 into 1 by 27 plus minus 1 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3, that is cancel out 9, that is minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3 by 1. Now taken, that is 9 minus 1 plus 33, and also that is 27, that is the term of 5 by 9, that is the term of 5 by 9. So that is 5, that is 33 minus 33 by 9, so that is comes to 0. So these zeros are satisfied of these terms. Now taken of these terms of, that is alpha is equal to 3 and alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 1 and gamma is equal to minus 1 by 3 of these terms. So now alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, formula is generated, that is alpha is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3, that is taken comes to LCM 3, 9 minus 3 minus 1, that is 5 by 3. So that is coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x cube. Now alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is 3 into 1, 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 into 3, that is minus 3 plus 1 by 3, 3 into 3 cancel out, that is minus 1, three minus 9 plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 11 by 3. So that is coefficient of x and divided by coefficient of x cube, Now alpha into beta into gamma is equal to, that is 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3, 3 and 3 cancel out, minus minus plus, so that is 1, that is constant term and minus constant term by coefficient of x. So verify of these terms. Okay, thank you.